thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rankin County in central Mississippi until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near
why do
Tallahassee,
you go
or
off?
9 miles northeast of Brandon, moving
Jeez.
northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fadden and Pisgah around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Goshen Springs around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.